So if you have a flickering screen on your TCL TV, well, there are a number of things that you could try doing here to fix this issue. So the simplest and the easiest way for you to fix this issue is by power cycling your device or your TV here. Now, what you need to do is you just basically just need to turn this off, unplug your TV from the power outlet, and just let it sit for at least a minute. So if you can just let it rest there like for 15 minutes more, if you can just let it discharge the electricity that it currently has. But once electricity is fully discharged from it, you could go and just plug it back in, turn it on, and see if that solves the issue. But if that doesn't solve the issue, next thing that you want to do is you want to perform a factory reset. Now, if you're not aware yet, TCL TVs actually have their own reset button. Now, usually it's going to be at the sides, sometimes it's going to be at the sides, or even at the back of the TV. So usually it will look like or something similar to this. Now, it can have a button like that looks like this one. It could have your TV could have a reset button, an actual reset button you could press, or it can be a pinhole here that you need to or that you can press. Now, for specific locations where the reset button is located, I would highly recommend you to check out your manual to see where it is. But to be speaking, if you have a pinhole reset button here, you just need to take a paper clip or anything that you could use to push that button here, and you just need to press and hold this for about like 5 to 10 seconds. But once you've held it down for that number of amount, the reset process should start here, and you just need to wait it while it resets. So it might turn off, then turn on again to basically finish the reset process here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.